Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Paradox AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in paradox.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Paradox AI website. Now if you have already requested for a demo, then you will now be able to log in to your account. Click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be asked to enter your credential. Type in your email address, your phone number or your employee ID and then click on the next button. If you are logging in through a public device, make sure to uncheck the box underneath the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password within the next screen and then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will also find the forgot password option within the password screen. You can also click on sign in with SSO or single sign-on and you will be able to use your company key in order to sign into your account as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Paradox AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.